To achieve horizontal integration, a firm producing tires could merge with another firm producing tires. Because horizontal integration is when a firm buys another firm in the same business at the same level of production. So here's tires, and you can buy another tire company. If you buy a rubber company, that's, just make it R, that's vertical integration backwards. If a tire company buys a rubber company, because the rubber company provides the rubber for the tires. And let's see, and if the tire company buys a motor car company, they can buy Benz, I guess. You need a lot of cash for that. If they buy Benz, that's further down the line of production. Tires go on cars, so that would be vertical integration forward. So yeah, the answer is tires for horizontal integration. For horizontal integration, a tire company would buy or merge with another tire producing company. Here's question 13, though we can't see it. I know, I make these low production value videos, but I hope they're useful. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can ask in the comments. Here's number 13. And there's a lot. Which row describes each of these activities? We must read this. So a car manufacturer has a highly mechanized assembly line using robots. That's capital, right? And a few skilled workers. Okay. An international exam board employs many thousands of examiners, like, economics teachers, to mark candidates' examination papers. So the car manufacturer would be capital intensive. Must be, right? And, this is pretty easy once you read the question. Using robots, highly mechanized, few skilled workers, capital intensive, more capital than labor. And the International Exam Board is labor intensive. So the answer for 13 must be B. Duh. And here's the monopoly question again. It is a pretty good question. I'm not sure. I think this is over the IGCSE level, but this is a good reason we should explain monopolies and other market structures very carefully. So a monopoly takes over an industry from competitive firms, and what's not likely to be true about the monopoly compared with a competitive firm. Sometimes, some questions, competitive firm means perfect competition, but maybe in this case it does not. But I just wanted to say, sometimes they use this term and it means perfect competition. I don't think that's true here. I just wanted to say that. So what is not likely to be true about a monopoly compared with the other firms? Not likely. So A is likely. The monopoly will earn higher rate of profit than the other firms. That's the whole reason to have a monopoly. A monopoly will gain a greater share of the market. Yes, the monopoly probably will have all of the market. If they take over an industry from the competitive firms, they're increasing their market share. So that's likely. C is a monopoly will offer a wider choice to the consumers. No. The idea is if you have a monopoly, you're profit maximizing. So you don't need to offer choices. you don't need to provide quality. With a monopoly, you can produce at less than efficiency, less than allocative efficiency, which would be here. Economists like this, equilibrium. But monopolists don't like that. Monopolists will produce somewhere around here. They'll use the marginal revenue and marginal cost curves to choose a quantity, a lower quantity, and a higher price. This is profit max, and this is price for profit max. So no, they don't need to provide choice. So the answer for 14 is C.